के चाटना नहीं, थूक के चाटना नहीं, चाट का पता नहीं क्या क्या करके टक टक करके टक। I was like क्या हो रहा है?
And the Unscripted Season 2. This is me, Ozan Khan, Myra Khan, and Fahad Mustafa.
This was like
हाँ.
you don't know what's happening.
उतारा सब कुछ उतारा, फिर भी ना वो ऐसे सरप्राइज थे कि तो नहीं पहचाना, बड़ी embarrassment।
Okay.
This kid doesn't know Gen Z words. Of course, he's a baby. क्या क्या क्या?
I don't know. He's a Gen Z word.
No.
No.